There are two types of charges in nature. Like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. The materials that normally do not get charged on rubbing and allow electric current to flow through them with ease are known as conductor. Lighting and thundering occur together. The scientist who proved that lightning is electrical in nature was Benjamin Franklin. Write true or false for the following statements. The charges acquired by a glass rod and the silk cloth with which it is rubbed are equal and of the same sign. False. During charging by conduction, the charged object shares its charge with the uncharged object. True. A charged body loses its charge if we touch it with our hand. True. Lightning is a natural electrical discharge phenomena. True. We do not need any special device to protect tall buildings from lightning. False. Take the correct option. A charged plastic comb B is brought near another similarly charged and suspended plastic comb A. Then comb A would move away from comb B. A student is provided with 4 objects: a plastic comb, a copper rod, a balloon, rubber balloon, a woolen cloth. The object that cannot be easily charged by rubbing is the object labeled as B. During charging by induction, it is only the earth that shares its charges with the object to be charged. During charging by conduction and by induction, the charge on the charging object decreases in the first case but remains unchanged in the second case. During lightning, we can have an electric discharge either between two opposite charged clouds or between a charged cloud and the ground. Next देखते हैं, answer the following questions in brief. A glass rod is rubbed against a silk cloth. Which object gets charged in this process? When a glass rod is rubbed against silk cloth, both of them get charged in this process. Second question है, name 2 objects that can be charged by rubbing that do not get charged on rubbing. Objects that can be charged by rubbing: plastic comb, glass rod. Objects that do not get charged on rubbing: iron rod, metal nib. State the main difference between a conductor and an insulator. A conductor allows electric current to flow it while an insulator does not allow it. कंडक्टर जो होते हैं वो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो करने देते हैं और इंसुलेटर जो होते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो नहीं होने देते हैं. Name the device used for protecting tall buildings from lightning strikes. Lightning conductor. Give the meaning of the term earthing. The process of transfer of charge from a charged body to the earth is called earthing. List down 2 precautions that a person can take if he is caught outside in the open during a lightning strike. Safety precautions during lightning for a person caught outside in the open. First, at the first signs of lightning, immediately go to a safe place such as a house or a building. Inside of a car and bus is also safe if the windows and doors are closed. Third, stay away from trees. आप लोगों को 2 precautions लिखने हैं. Stay away from trees और एक था अवॉइड ओपन एरियाज एंड सीट्स. इन चारों में कोई आप 2 लिखिएगा. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. ए चार्ज्ड ड्रिंकिंग स्ट्रॉ इज ब्राउट नियर अनदर सस्पेंडेड प्लास्टिक स्ट्रॉ दैट इज सिमिलरली चार्ज्ड uncharged. Explain what we would observed in each case and why. When a charged drink plastic straw is brought near another similarly charged straw, both of them repel each other. This happens because similar charges repel each other. When a charged drinking plastic straw is brought near an uncharged plastic straw, the charged straw attracts the uncharged one. This happens because a charged object attracts uncharged lightweight objects. Second question is, why do we say that charges are always produced in pairs? When an object is rubbed against one another, both of them get charged up. Due to this, it is said that charges are always produced in pairs. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Describe a simple experiment to show that the total charge on a pair of objects that have been rubbed together is 0. For this, we need an electroscope, a glass rod, and a silk cloth. Rub the glass rod on silk cloth so that both of them get charged up. Now touch the metallic rod for some time till the gold leaves get discharged. After that, touch the metallic rod of electroscope with a silk cloth. Note the degree of separation of gold leaves. You will notice that in both cases the degree of separation between gold leaves is similar. This shows that the total charge on a pair of objects rubbed together is 0 because charges on both of them are equal but opposite. Why does a charged object lose its charge when touched? When a charged object is touched, our body provides a route for earthing of the charge. Due to this, when a charged object is touched, it loses its charge. Can we say that a charged object attracts an uncharged object by first charging it through induction? Explain your answer. When an uncharged object is brought near a charged object, the uncharged object is charged by induction. The uncharged object acquires a charge which is opposite to the charge on the charged object. Thus, the uncharged object is first charged and then attracted towards the charged object. Next question है, state the sign of the charge acquired by an object when it is charged by a positively charged rod through conduction, induction. Give the reason for your statement. In case of charging by conduction, the object would be positively charged. In case of charging by induction, the object would be negatively charged. Next question है, is it important to have a very good contact between the lower end of a lightning conductor and the earth? If so, why? It is indeed important to have a very good contact between the lower end of a lightning conductor and the earth because the total charge coming from lightning needs to be passed to the earth. This is necessary to save the building from damage. In case of faulty contact, some of the charge may get transferred to the building, which can result in loss of life and property. Next है value based question. Tavish was driving back home from his office when it started raining heavily. The rain poured along with a thundering sound and lightning. On the way, he saw an old man walking along the street. Tavish stopped the car and requested him to immediately get inside the car. Later on, he dropped the old man at his place. State two values displayed by Tavish. Tavish is showing concern and empathy for others. Did Tavish do the right thing by asking the old man to get inside his car? Give reason for your answer. Tavish did the right thing because a car is much safer than an open space during lightning. Students, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप किसी और चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन या सॉल्यूशन वीडियो चाहते हैं और या इस चैप्टर का नोट्स चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए। मैंने इस चैप्टर का बहुत ही अच्छा क्लिस्टर क्लियर नोट्स बना रखा है, तो कमेंट करना बिल्कुल नहीं भूलिएगा नोट्स के लिए। और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा और अपने दोस्तों के भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।